Hello, my name is Tara, and this is ETS-Lindgren. Follow me as we gain knowledge from leading industry experts in audio, medical, filters, chambers, and much, much more. Welcome to Tara's Tech Talks. Welcome back to Tara's Tech Talk. We're going to run a few special episodes ahead of the IEEE EMC Symposium, which will be held in Grand Rapids, Michigan. We'll be meeting with a few experts in-house who will be presenting at the symposium. So today I'm here with Sergio Longoria, which is our EMC product line technical manager for our filter line. Welcome, Sergio.
Well, thank you for having me.
Sergio, can we start by telling us a little bit about yourself and also what you do at ETS-Lindgren?
Sure. Well, I'm from Texas. I was born in Texas, but I lived most of, or rather my early life in Mexico. And I went to school in Mexico at the Instituto Tecnológico de Monterrey.
Wow, okay.
Graduated, and there I also have a few other degrees that are unrelated to electrical engineering.
Please share with us.
A master's in philosophy and,
wow.
and theology, and another bachelor's in education.
Oh, wow.
I'm a veteran of the Air Force.
Oh, thank you so much for your service,
of the United States Air Force.
Thank you.
Here at ETS-Lindgren, I'm the product line manager for the filters, for the filter line. And that includes power filters and control and signal filters and all of that. And essentially what the technical manager really means is that I'm the main design engineer for the filter product line. And I also support the custom designs, and I support customer service and manufacturing.
Wow.
Yeah.
So how many years have you worked for us?
22 years with ETS-Lindgren.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for your service at ETS-Lindgren.
Sure.
So we do a lot of customized projects in-house, right?
Yes, a lot of our business is customization of power filters and also control and signal filters.
Wow, okay, good to know. So can you tell us a little about what you're going to present at the IEEE Symposium this time?
Sure. So the workshop is going to be on high power electromagnetics, and I'm basically going to talk about how high power electromagnetics, and especially HEMP, which is high altitude electromagnetic pulse, and I'm going to touch a little bit on IEMI, which is the intentional electromagnetic interference.
Oh, wow.
And I'll talk about how this affects our 21st century technology, how it can be damaging, and how you can protect against it. And I think this kind of workshop would be beneficial for those who don't know anything about the subject, or those who have some knowledge of it and want to know more. But I also have something extra for those veterans of the subject who know already about this.
So thank you, Sergio, for meeting with us and share insights about the upcoming tutorial at the IEEE Symposium. We're really looking forward to it. Don't miss Sergio's presentation and other informative tutorials and workshops and the demos by ETS-Lindgren experts. And be sure to visit us at booth 301. Thank you.